Finding the perfect gift for the men in your life can be complicated. While there are a few standbys that you can always count on, a trusty pair of socks for example, you should feel excited about whatever you're giving, and more importantly, you want him to be just as happy. We found many handy and cool gadgets for men no matter what the occasion for your budget is. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The search for a perfect compact multi-tool is not always an easy one. Most people only need a few tools to get the job done. The CRKT Guppie could be the perfect tool for someone who simply wants to get the job done without having a lot of tools to look through. The Columbia River knife tool is different from most multi-tools. Packed into this multi-tool, you'll find it has a crescent wrench, a knife, screwdriver bits, LED light, carabiner, and a bottle opener weighing in at 10.4 ounces. Just a few handy tools for you to carry easily in your pocket or on your belt. The adjustable wrench jaw opens to 1/2 inch, the bit carrier is removable and fits standard Phillips and flat bit screwdriver. However, what truly makes the CRKT multi-tool impressive is the knife blade. This multi-tool has been designed more for personal use and lighter, labor-intensive jobs. The LED flashlight is not the brightest of the flashlights on the market, but again, for the size and price, it works well enough for this multi-tool. If you're looking for a tactical, rugged, adventuresome, cool-looking wallet, then the Dango M1 Maverick is your choice. It makes you feel tough carrying this thing around, but the careful attention to industrial design details and materials make this one of the better options for a unique wallet on the market. The quality of this is really good, as the aluminum metal is CNC machined and anodized to a gray color. The mil-spec stainless steel bolts used to connect the leather to the aluminum aren't obtrusive and nice touch. You can tell that a lot of thought went into the design. With the 4 loops on the edges, it provides several options like a lanyard. While some of the offerings from Tokyo Flash have been exercises in relearning to tell time, some of their more recent releases have been much easier to read. Their latest, the Tokyo Flash Kisai sequence, is definitely in that easier to read camp. The slender case, 25x54mm, should work for just about any wrist, as will the choice in strap, black or white, and LED, blue or red colors. At first glance, especially in the cryptic mode, it looks like the time might be a bit tricky to read. When the watch is in its cryptic display mode, it simply removes the middle segment of the LED digit. Sure, somewhat obfuscating at first, but something that's still easy enough to read. This pry bar is designed to be versatile. It's more than a pry bar, screwdriver, hex tool, box cutter, staple remover. You can also use it as a self-defense tool in an emergency. Its titanium build makes it strong and lightweight at the same time, not to mention that there are many other great properties of titanium: strong, lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and nature metallic luster. The pocket clip design makes it convenient for you to carry it with you all the time. The electric lighter adopts a high-quality zinc alloy body, which is strong and durable, prevents deformation from the drop and bump, and helps the lighter quickly dissipate heat. The electric arc of the plasma lighter will automatically turn off after 10 seconds for each use. This rechargeable lighter is equipped with a cover and 2 separate ignite switches that can protect you from getting burned by the ignition part and use it more safely. Bobo Bird is a watch original brand of unique style, natural bamboo watches and wood watches. Every watch is handcrafted with ancient Asian sustainable wood. Various types of materials including teak, ebony, maple, and even bamboo are all used during the creation process. These trees are hand-selected by expert craftsmen to ensure the exceptional quality of wooden wristwatches. The deluxe model is constructed from heavy 11-gauge steel that has been hot forged and is stainless steel riveted. It differs from other steps in the EZI step range by the inclusion of a security bubble at the end of the step area to ensure the foot doesn't slip off. Each step measures 3.25 inches in height and the step area is 4 inches wide. It's attached to the tree by means of a 2 to 1 by 8 inch self-taping screw. The steps each weigh 5.7 ounces. The ForeverPen was certainly built to last with its solid silver composite nib and your choice of high-quality titanium, copper, or brass. It's a kind of toughness that renders it pretty much immune to even the harsher elements, allowing the pen to last your entire lifetime if you care for it right. Titanium is a shiny silver, copper has a bit more of an orange hue, while brass gives off a sort of golden glow. There's not much to go on in terms of style, given that the ForeverPen is just a hair shorter than an inch, but it's elegant looking given its simple design, and the different colored materials give it a welcome degree of personalization, plus the little loop on its body allows you to hang it on a variety of things, making the pen incredibly functional. Govo's revolutionary multi-carry design lets you carry your ID badge, cards in as many convenient ways as possible. You can carry it with a lanyard, carabiner, keychain, or clip it on a pocket, belt, clothes, backpack, anywhere you want. The clip will hold tight and stay in position all day long. Govo badge holder can hold up to 4 cards of standard credit card size. This could be 1 ID card, 1 driver's license, and 2 credit cards all at once. The clip can also be used to hold cash. With Govo badge holder, you wouldn't need to carry a wallet around anymore. Most ID card holders use plastic snaps to prevent cards from falling out. It'll definitely lose its resilience after some time when loaded with cards. Moving cards in and out is very smooth, easy, and convenient on Govo badge holder. All you have to do to get your ID or credit card out is to simply push them out from the bottom, even when a lanyard is connected. The Ping G5 driver is a modified version of the Ping G2 driver, which we thought was one of the best value for money drivers around. Cosmetically, the Ping G5 driver looks different with an updated design on the sole and a new head cover, both of which look great. However, it's the changes you can't see that make the difference with a Ping G5 driver. The repositioning of the weight internally from the crown and face to the sole gives the club a much more solid feel, and sound at impact. To get the most out of it, tee the ball up as the sweet spot is just above the center of the club face. Fitting comfortably into the form factor of a dog tag, the B2 blade from the guys at Bomber & Company literally hangs in its tag-shaped sheath around your neck. The nano blade pocket knife remains fully concealed within the dog tag-shaped pendant, and its lightweight, compact design makes it the perfect EDC because of its ability to be both a useful product and a fashion accessory. The tiny sheep's foot style blade hides within its matte black metal casing and can easily be deployed by unsheathing it and clipping it back into its holder with the blade facing outwards. This latest Dainese Trailskins Pro is the culmination of all their knowledge and packs a lot of features in a mid-protection level knee pad with excellent ventilation and an impact-hardening breathable polymer cap. The Italian brand has used body mapping to shape the Trailskins sock to match cyclist legs, and on top of that, both upper and lower elastic retention bands are width adjustable using a wrap-over Velcro tab. Inside these cuffs, silicone gripper strips to prevent pads shuffling about and provide friction against the skin are laid out in a vertical pattern rather than a continuous circular band like other brands' pads. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the following videos here.